Son, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of the fact that you're a high school graduate and possibly soon a college graduate, and that you've graduated these other little schools, these other little vocational schools in the areas of technology. I'm very happy and very excited for you and very proud of you, and that you've taken an interest in positive things, constructive things that will help better your personal character and being and welfare and overall future, securing a future for yourself that will be rewarding, and that you still seek God and you still have open ears to what He wants to say, and that you have embraced the faith, that you are faithful to God, faithful to His ways, and that you want to be a good citizen and be helpful and do things that are right, and that's a good thing. And I love you, son. So thanks for doing those things.